Hello and welcome. Now in this video, we're going to be doing an overview of the entire course, and we are going to be talking about a very simple newsletter and subscription business model that any marketer can implement. And in this business model, you are going to discover an easy way to generate a recurring income. And it is one that has been proven over time to work in various methods. We're going to be showing you the very simplest way for you to be able to execute it. Now, one of the best things about this business model is that in order to set it up, we're going to be depending on free and or low cost tools to you. So it's not going to cost you a lot to set up this model. Now, obviously, the more that you are making, the more that you want to invest in things like advertising and other things that will help you to increase your conversion rates. However, to start the business, you won't need a lot of money and you won't need a lot of fancy tools to do that. For the most part, it's going to be easy to manage because we're going to be relying on WordPress. And most, if not all, internet marketers have had some exposure to WordPress, and we are going to be using it in order to navigate this business model. The other thing that's really special about this business model is it works in any really popular niche. So really the key to success is not trying to find a niche where there's too much competition. As a matter of fact, you want to find a niche that's very popular. You want to find a niche that's got enough people and enough people interested in it that you are going to be able to give them a topic that you're going to be interested in. And so because of that, what you're going to be doing in a sense is getting subscribers. I mean, your whole business model, your whole exercise is going to be to get subscribers. So now what does that mean and how does that break down, and why do we say that this business model makes sense when maybe others might fail? The first leg of the business is for you to over-deliver on great content in your niche. So whatever you choose to do, whether or not it is something in beauty and health or weight loss, whether or not it's something in making money online, or maybe it is something that is related to another niche, maybe perhaps a hobby. Really doesn't matter which niche it is. Your first task in getting subscribers is to over-deliver on great content. And that's going to be fairly easy to do because we're going to show you how you can do that with confidence. Then you're going to be able to provide solutions at an extremely low price. Now, the key to this is that you are going to be offering this membership at the $7 level, sometimes less, sometimes a bit more, but on average, you're going to be offering this membership at $6.97. Now, what does that mean? Well, that means that because you are delivering a high quantity of great quality content, and you are over-delivering on it, then you are going to be subscribing people at this rate where they will not mind not only signing up, but they won't mind keeping their subscription, even when other things that they might look at doing, they might decide, well, we don't want that anymore. That's just a nuisance. You'll be charging them just enough for them to see what's going on, but not enough for them to unsubscribe. Now, you're going to be building a list of hungry subscribers too. Now, often people are really looking for ways to build a list, and people have heard, or marketers have heard, the money is in the list, and it is. But this business model helps you to build your list. We're going to be using these simple tools that we've been talking about, not only to help you to build an income, but you are going to be building a list of hungry subscribers in your niche in one business model. So I hope that you are ready, and we will get started on this business model in video 1. So with that, thanks, and I will see you in step 1.